everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Thursday, February the 23rd, and tonight we are breaking Boombox Jersey Edition. This is our own product, and we did random team sales. You can see on the far left, we've already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized them and gave them a chance to trade. Here we go. We're going to break our first seal of the night. Pop. There you go. Here we go. Well, thought I saw some people talking about them in chat earlier, folks. That is going to be a Le'Veon Bell Honeybee. It's obviously going to be a custom, folks, but a beautiful custom. There is your SIG. There is your JSA number. Who's got Pittsburgh? Pittsburgh, Phoenix. Phoenix is going to take that one down. Going to move into box 2. Pop your shield. Le'Veon Bell, folks. That was Le'Veon Bell. Alright, folks. This is box number 2. Well, there you go, folks. That is, y'all know who that is. We've never pulled that before. It says, play like a Raven. Yes, sir. That is a Kenneth Dixon Baltimore hit, folks. It's custom jersey. Yep, I can assure you it's a custom. There you go. It says play like a Raven. Who has Baltimore? I do believe that's our first Baltimore pull out of the set. That is going to be... Not yet, but we haven't pulled Lewis yet, but he is in here. Yeah, he's in here several times. So, Baltimore, it's going to be an LGS hit, folks. That is going to ramp up that 2-boxer. 2 of the young running backs of today. And Kenneth Dixon. And Le'Veon Bell, the Honeybee or Bumblebee, whatever the heck you want to call it. There you go. Thank you for joining us at Breakers.tv at Boom City Breaks. You'll find us breaking all forms of memorabilia 7 days a week. We appreciate it. Click on that follow button and have a wonderful day.